Okay, so I got new control knobs because, as you can see, that's what was in there before, and there's the other side. And I figured there's got to be a better way than taking the whole thing apart. So on this temp side, I was able to use my tranny pick tool and just kind of get up after I push this down a little bit, get this up and underneath and pull out. And then once I was able to get these top pieces here out, then I was also able to, see, hard to do with one hand as you guys know, able to take this and then reach in and push the tabs back to pull the rest of the switch out, and then place the other switch back in. So let's see if I can redo that here. So I didn't care what happened to my old one. You can see I just tore the top one out, and I can take that and push those out. And there we go. There's the new one. And just push it in, and voila. As you can see, it all works. And there's the new switches without taking it all apart.